Want to know how to change your theme in Dola AI? So if you want to change your application theme on your phone from light to dark or more, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can simply open up your Dola AI application. So once you've opened up, you should be under this interface right here. Now, since we want to change our theme, we need to head towards our profile settings. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile. And on top right side, you should be seeing settings with the gear icon, just symbols like that. And here on the third line, you should be seeing theme usually, and just symbols like that. And you can just simply change it from light, dark, and device theme just like this right here. So that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily change it. So if this still doesn't work, make sure you restart your app once and it should do it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.